In this video, we're going to show you the first steps to adding product to your catalog or website. So to start out, you're going to log into WorldVu. Once you're there, from the main admin menu across the top, you're going to scroll over Catalog and drop down to Manage Products. Let's click on that. That'll take you to your Manage Products page. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see an Add Product button that you can click on to add your new product. However, if this is the first time that you are going through this system, we suggest that you choose one of the sample products that we have listed below. So let's go ahead and walk you through that, and let's choose some cream, which is the last product listed. You can click on the edit button on the right or simply on the name of the product. This takes us to our product information page. And the first thing we're going to do is to name the product. So let's change this to scented candles. Underneath that, we have a short description. Often this will be the highlights of the product, and it defaults to show up underneath the name of the product on the product page. Okay, and then we have a description. This is the main description of the product. You may wish to include details such as benefits, ingredients, testimonials, etc. This defaults to show up at the bottom of the product page. Okay, you also have a what you see is what you get editor, and you can click on these if you want to change the look of the text. So you have several options here to choose from. Okay, once you have the exact look that you like, you can go ahead and hit submit. Okay, next on the list is status. You'll want to make sure that this is set to enable. If you put it as disabled, it will not show up on the website. Next we have SKU, and this is the stock keeping unit. So if you already have a SKU number, you can go ahead and put that in. If not, you may want to use a variance of the product name. Make sure that this is in lowercase letters. Then we have the weight of the product. This will always be entered in pounds unless you have configured this differently elsewhere on the website. So we're going to say that our product is half a pound. On visibility, you're going to select one of the items on the drop-down list. Not visible is only going to be used if the product is associated with a one-to-many product and it's not available for individual purchase, so that won't be used too often. We recommend that you select catalog and search, and this will allow the product to appear in the search results as well as be found on the catalog. Let's scroll this up a little bit so we can see. Next we have product is visible to those customer groups, and you'll want to hold down the control key on your keyboard and click on those that you wish to be able to see your product. Most likely you're going to want everyone to be able to see it. If you don't want this particular product visible to those that are not logged in, you just simply uncheck that one. Okay. Then we have auto ship. If the product's available for auto ship, then change this to a yes. Auto ship marketing text is where you would add an incentive or an encouragement for product to be placed on auto ship. For example, 10% off with auto ship order. Of course, if you add any text here, you'll have to add this promotion under shopping cart price rules. So for now, we're going to go ahead and just leave that blank. Next, we have enrollment group. If the purchase of this product will place the individual in a particular enrollment group, such as a distributor, then you'll go ahead and select that. If not, we'll just leave it as not selected. If you have several enrollment options and you would like one of them highlighted or featured, you can go ahead and change this from a no to a yes. Since this is not an enrollment product, we'll go ahead and leave this as a no. The next two fields allow you to highlight the product as new or tag it as new, and you can put in a start date and end date for that. And our final thing is our URL key. We recommend that you actually leave this blank, as it will auto-populate with the name of the product. And that's it. So the next thing to do is to save our changes. So we'll come up here to the top right hand corner and click on Save and Continue Editing. Okay, so let's switch over and see exactly what these changes will look like on our product page. So here we have our scented candles, the change to the lavender font, and the longer description down here below. In the next few videos, you'll learn about pricing, how to add an image, and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching.